Hi and welcome in this new video in which I'm going to show you how to build these micro brick battle Panzer Wirbelwind anti-aircraft guns. Panzer IV chassis or hull with a turret on top that contained 4 anti-aircraft guns. Ultimate gun. Really cool design. Yeah, I got this one and I really wanted to show you guys how this one is made. The design of this pretty awesome little model is donated to my channel by Battlin. I will put a link to his Instagram account in my description, so check out if you like to follow him or not. But this design was just ultimate, and I asked him and he generously gave it to me to yeah, show it to you guys how it's built. He basically gave me the version of a 10, all 10 version. I made it in dark blues gray because that was what I had on hand, and later on I tried to design in camo version and ordered parts for that one so I could show you guys that one too. So it's 2 versions tutorial. I'm going to add a little bonus is the GoBrick version 2, that is all tan and olive green. It's not possible to build in original Lego parts, so you have to buy yeah, other brand bricks, and for that I recommend GoBricks. You can check out the link to get those in the description of this video. Another thing I want to show you guys quickly is this little hetzer, also micro scale. I did a tutorial on this one. Check out the link in the right corner of your video. But like I said, I'm going to show you this one. Before I go into, I want to also advertise a little bit the GoBricks quality, and I have to move these aside because it won't fit in the picture. This little awesome guard tower, medieval, so not World War II era, but medieval. I not fully, I 99% built it with GoBricks. The printed shields and the horse and of course the fig are not GoBricks. Everything else is, and the quality is just amazing. So I highly recommend yeah, that brand of bricks. Buy them. It all functions pretty good. Opening doors, everything functions great. If you want to build this one, this guard tower, if this is your thing, I love castle theme by Lego, but Brick Fan UY, I have no idea how to pronounce that part. He designed it, and he offers free building instructions on of this guard tower on his Instagram page and on his Rebrickable page. I will put a link to his Instagram in the description, so you might if you want to build this one, you can find free tutorial or building instructions over there. The only thing I just wanted to let you know is how amazing the quality of GoBricks are. So absolutely amazing. And if you buy them by using the link in my description, you also sponsor my channel, because of course it's an affiliate link and I will get some percentage of your sales. And when you help me, I can build more stuff and do more tutorial videos. So that would be awesome. If you want to try GoBricks, please use the link in the description. For now, I'm going to show you these. I'm not going to interrupt this anymore. I'm just going to show you how to build this one first. Then you get the first parts list, building steps. Then you get the parts list of this one, building steps, and then you will get the parts list of the GoBricks one. I don't have that one on hand yet because the parts didn't arrive at the moment that I'm filming this video. But you will see the parts list, steps, part list, steps, and then the other one, parts list and steps. For the last one is GoBricks. And yeah, I want to thank you for watching this video again. I hope you like it. I hope you give it a thumbs up. I hope to give it a subscribe to my channel, and if you leave a comment, I will always try to reply. So already, thank you for watching. Here are the steps to build the Wirbelwind.